Light pole. Yeah, light pole broke in half, and I'm putting up a new one today. I don't know how it happened. Someone said the wind did it. Right across the street from where I'm staying, y'all. We'll try to get a better zoom in up there. Stupid phone of mine. Oh, there it goes. Well, I don't know if y'all can see that all right or not. This phone's, there it goes. Stop there. What they're going to do, they're trying to put another pole up beside the one that broke right there and connect the electrical wires from the one that broke to the one they're putting up so the power don't go out. I'm going to get over here and get a better shot of this. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. And there's the top of it right there. See how they got all that set up? Yeah, this makes it, I think, my fourth audit. It's chilly out here today, y'all. I'm going to put my hoodie back on. Yeah, but you see where that's bent right there? Can y'all see that all right? Where it's bent right there in the middle? See if I can get in a little closer. I don't think my phone's going any zoom in anymore. Yeah, that. Hey, Mike, do you know what caused the pole to crack like that? Was it a wind? Was it wind or what?
The tractor trailer caught it.
Oh, the tractor trailer caught onto it?
Caught that wire, pulled it, and then went just got back and forth.
That wire right there?
It keeps on going across.
Oh, okay.
Wire around it.
Yeah. See that, y'all? See that wire right there? That's our electrical wire from the light poles. Some big truck come through here and pulled it down, and we got like a little piece of it, metal piece of it. Let me see if I can zoom in here. This phone is not. It's kind of I don't want to go zoom in, not out. There we go. I think that's as far as I can get with this phone. I need to get me a tripod camera. But see how that see that wire right there? How low it is? It goes all the way from. Hang on a minute. It goes all the way down to the end. Down there where that. All right, see where that orange wire is right there? And that tree how it's leaned over? The semi come through here and pulled that down. Pulled it all the way down across it here, and then it cracked that pole over there. And I don't know how much room I got on my phone to record y'all, so if my recording stops, that means my phone has no more room. Like I said, it's one of these Walmart ball parts. So try to get as much of this as I can. I'll update you on the rest of it later if this doesn't finish recording. So, but yeah, y'all seen that, right? Look at right there on this pole here. You got. Hey, Mike, what's this wire right here on the that white? Is that part of it?
What?
Is that part of the cable right there? That silver thing hanging off the pole?
Yeah.
Is that part of what broke or?
Yeah. That wire when they're all up to there.
Yeah.
Right there where it's hanging down.
Yeah.
And that bunch of stuff all down there.
Oh, okay.
And it's hanging about a foot lower than it was like before we hit it.
Yeah.
When he hit it, it made it even farther. So next time he comes through, they'll catch it even worse.
Yeah.